It's been an exciting couple weeks here at MiaProva. We've been really busy lately, building out new features and functionality, and a lot of it has been released over the last couple weeks within MiaProva, including some significant ones over this past weekend. So excited to report we have a fully operational, wonderful integration with JIRA and Adobe Workfront. I'm going to have more content videos specific to that because they were pretty big enhancements to the platform. But I want to just catch you up on some of the other features and functionality that has been added to the platform. We've added the ability to download all data related to any of your live activities. So you'll notice on our live dashboard, you can download all of the live data. And this will be the same activity data that's available in the swim lane management section within MiaProva. So it's a great report, and a couple customers have asked for it, and it's very helpful. You can see a list of all of your live activities, when it's went live, when it's ended, how many visitors are in the activity, and audiences to really help with test interaction, help turning off old activities that are currently up and running. So that is in production, both on the live dashboard as well as the swim lane management section of MiaProva. You could download this information within here. Additionally, we've added functionality to subscribe to specific journeys. So MiaProva, as you know, has a rich set of notifications that go out based off of different events happening to ideas, to activities, based off of user roles. And as you know, the different roles within MiaProva have different levels of permissioning. But not everyone in an organization needs to know that a ticket has been submitted unless it's specific to their business unit. And so we've added functionality in here where you have the ability to filter or limit notifications to certain roles, but also extended that to journeys as well as programs. So you can come into MiaProva, select what journeys and what programs you want to subscribe to for all the different related alerts. Of course, if you're tagged in any comments, you will continue to receive those, and you can also update what specific alerts you want to get updated for the related to metrics or issues like sample ratio mismatch. You can update your individual level settings within there. The JIRA integration, like I said, we're going to have more on this in a more deeper video. Pretty impressive. You simply add the integration through here. Like I said, there will be more on this. You can see the JIRA issues in terms of what the permissions we need. A JIRA admin would simply install the application. Then we would go into here. You'd be able to select what project you would like to have, where the JIRA issues get imported automatically into MiaProva. Choose what issue type within JIRA, and then what status you would like it to be ported over to MiaProva. And then you can say where in MiaProva you would like this to go. And what we do there is pretty powerful. We automatically create a MiaProva program that maps to all of the data within JIRA. And so for those customers that have already put this integration in place, they have a fully automated MiaProva system where they're connecting data from Adobe Analytics and Adobe Target to JIRA issues, which then gives you the ROI for all of that data for all of those different issues within there. The JIRA programs you'll see will show up within here based off of whatever the issue type is and the project within JIRA. The Workfront integration, this was a huge integration. We built this for one of our bigger customers. Very excited to see that. You've got the different information here for the certificate. And you select the program. So very similar to JIRA, but program represents kind of like project in the JIRA world. What status you would like it to be ported, and then what state you would like it to go over to MiaProva. And just as we do with JIRA, we automatically create a MiaProva program that maps to those fields. And so automatically as new tickets or projects within JIRA are created, they are automatically ported over to MiaProva, where you then can correlate them and associate them with any of your live activities. Really powerful stuff where you can see all of the different activities being ported over, and you can see all the details for that project are automatically ported over as well. Really powerful because for both JIRA as well as the Workfront integration, all of the data that's available within the particular issues or projects from the respective solutions are available here to construct reports based off of, whatever type of things, whether it's location, the analyst being assigned, idea source. Really, the sky's the limit. So any one of those variables becomes available for configuration. While I'm here at the status board, this is where a lot of things are managed within here. Organizations can manage things based off of, their different programs and all that rich data. But additionally, what we've added here over the weekend is the ability to customize what fields show up here in the side panel. Users have been able to configure what tickets are required across the various states. All of that is done within the program section within here. So you come to your particular program. You've got all of your fields that are there. You can even come into your automatically created programs from JIRA or Workfront. And you can come here and you can update with any of these different things. You can enable this. Let's say priority is one of the different fields. You can display on sidebar or make that filterable. So it's real easy to make it available here. And by making it filterable, so this is a workspace, simply save that update within here. We can go to the status board. We can then filter on our programs from Workfront. Forget which Workfront thing I put within there. So you see these particular projects, but then you also see the priority, be able to kind of use that. MiaProva will also then correlate this information with any of your metrics as well. So, if you think about, this data, or you can look at, the win rate by idea source, things along those lines that's available within here. So that was a big update, adding that functionality so you can kind of see it here on the side panel. We've also made some updates to the awaiting summary email template. So within MiaProva, come within here. So you got all of the data from the tickets. You've got the real-time data that comes in from Adobe. You can see it's getting an updated information based off of the journey within MiaProva. But we have the send summary email section. So one of the things a lot of our customers like is instead of spending the time, I can see like the variance in the data here, instead of spending the time putting together a results deck, MiaProva provides templates where you can see everything and anything that's associated with the ticket, whether it's screenshots, all of that is available for the email summary. So you can quickly and easily send emails out based off of the data that's associated with the ticket. We also added naming functionality. So this was a thing from one of our customers where you can come into here for tickets that are under development. You've got assets. And so within here, you can add in different new URLs, but now you can associate names with it to name them, and it'll update the names accordingly within there. We updated some text on the homepage here. So this used to say total test, but the Adobe Target users out there know that they're not called tests in Adobe Target. And tests has kind of a meaning where you're kind of like doing like A/B testing, and a lot of companies are using Adobe Target for much more than that. Targeting, personalization, patches, operational-ish things, and along those lines. So we just updated the naming convention within here to be respective of that. We also, on the status board, we added functionality to, actually we took away functionality. So one of the different levels of user access is called general public. And this is the permission level that all of our single sign-on, as well as JIRA and Workfront customers use, where that role, general public, is associated with, which is kind of like users that don't need to create tickets or modify different things. And so the general public can no longer drag and drop the priority. So this is a function that's used a lot by test managers, where you can come in, adjust the priority at a global level as well as an individual journey level. Very similar to the functionality within here, where test managers and administrators can adjust priority within here. So we took that functionality away from the general public on the status board. We also had various performance enhancements. We've got a smart team of engineers that are always looking for ways to improve on things. And so there's a lot of those very technical things. where they updated performance. And then last here, a very simple last thing I want to highlight here is the ability to kind of sort imagery. That was something one of our customers asked for the ability to do. I'm just looking for an activity here with imagery. And I'm in a demo account here. So within here, you can adjust the images. So that's it for this last couple weeks. Like I said, there'll be upcoming videos going deep dives into the JIRA integrations as well as the Workfront integration. But as always, if there's any questions or anything we can help you all with, certainly let me know. Thank you.